And we are back. And this time with a new foundation stitch that, again, I think is going to be super helpful for your crochet endeavors. So today we are going to learn the half double crochet foundation stitch. Again, very similar to the single crochet foundation stitch. It's just one extra step, just like the single crochet stitch versus the half double crochet stitch. But it is a very useful foundation stitch to use in place of a chain foundation, especially if the project you are working on uses half double crochet mainly versus single crochet. Also, in the next video, I have a different variation of the Trinity stitch that we just learned that uses half double crochets instead of single crochets. So what better time than now to teach you the half double crochet foundation stitch. So just like the single crochet foundation stitch, you are going to want to start with a slip knot and a chain 2. So 1, 2. The only difference between the single crochet foundation and the half double crochet foundation is this one step. And that is you are going to yarn over before you insert your hook into that very first stitch. So you're gonna yarn over, insert your hook into that very first chain, make sure that you're catching both of those loops, at least that's what I prefer. And then you are going to yarn over to pull up a new loop, and now you have 3 loops on your hook. And then you are going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over once more and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that gives you your very first half double crochet foundation stitch. Now, to continue building upon your foundation, all you need to do is yarn over, and you're going to insert your hook into the bottom of the previous stitch that you just made and continue on working as you would. So you're going to pull up a new loop once you insert your hook, you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull through 1 loop, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Now you see I have 2 finished half double crochet foundation stitches, and that's all there is to it. Like I said, it's just one extra step compared to the single crochet foundation, and that is yarning over before you insert your hook into your next stitch. And that's it. Quick, to the point as well. I mean, we all know I talk too much, but quick, simple, and there you go. Now you have a new foundation stitch that you know, and you can avoid chains just like me. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I will do my best to answer and help and respond and all of those things. You can find all of the fun things that I use in the description. And of course, if you're having fun with my crazy, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more of the crazy. With that, I'm out. Go practice, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!